with the knob. So by swing lid, we mean that one lid will fit on both of the pans. So they're both the same size, but one is deeper than the other. So again, you've got the 3-quart and you've got the 1.5. So let me take you through your choices. We do have Doodle Doo in this pan. So here it is in the black, the red, or the gray if you want to add to your Doodle Doo collection. Then we also have this in your Old World in the taupe and the gray right here. Here's the black, the red, and the green. Here's your confetti and your blue. Now in Floral Lace, we have it in the black, the red, and the cranberry. And over here is that blue, which I just think is knockout. Every time I see this cobalt blue, look how gorgeous that is. And then we also have it in that beautiful gray. 5 payments of $8. This is a easy pay opportunity that's going away at the end of the day. Tara, what a great idea. 1 lid, 2 pans.
Exactly. And you know what else is great? That 1.5 quart can act as a lid as well. So yes, you have that traditional dome swing lid, but do you notice how I have them stacked on top of each other?
Yes.
The reason I do that is double duty cooking. So if you had something shallow on the bottom, of course you could do that. That actually acts as a lid. So you have that 3-quart, you have that 1.5 quart, and you have that great swing lid, as Carolyn was just telling you. So I love 4.5 total quart capacity. And this square is like such a unique size and shape. A 3-quart square is something, again, a nice deep dish brownie in here, lasagna in here. Think about all of those great things that we love, and everything will pop right out. So I actually did over here a little bit of a cornbread because I love the fact that everything pops right out, naturally nonstick. So all I'm going to do is just give it a little flip, and look at that. Not only does it pop right out, but there's actually like a little bit of the rooster detail.
Oh, that's
in
so
the cake
fun.
itself. Isn't that cute?
I love that. Let me show what we've got going on here. I just have to show you, by the way, this Doodle Doo is super limited already. Look at the lid. So you've got quadruple Doodle Doos on the lid here, 4 roosters.
Yes.
And then here is that inside embossed rooster in the pan. So again, just beautiful to show even when you're not using it. You've got the embossing around the outside of the pan as well. There you can see it. We're going to move the camera. Isn't that beautiful? So those are your Doodle Doos. And again, the swing lid. So the lid goes from this pan over to this pan. And as Tara said, the more shallow pan can also act as a lid. But here we've done a beautiful cake. We've got a beautiful square deep dish pizza going right here. Frank, do not come down from the control room. We need you in charge up there. Here we have some artichoke dip. Yum. Ribs piled in. Here it looks like is that a, what you call it, a shepherd's pie? That looks delicious, yummy. More sort of a mac and cheese, but even better up here. I love that. And again, showing, do I have yes, I do. Let me just show you. Can you guys see if I move this lid? The non-stick. So again, that non-stick is just amazing. Super easy cleanup. You can put them in the dishwasher. Maybe if I go from this side. Let me put this over here.
No, it's perfect. It's naturally non-stick, so no butters, no oils, no extra added fats. And I actually have here a pot pie as well. So I love the fact that to go along with my cornbread, I'm able to come out with my pot pie. I'm going to put it on my Lazy Susan because look how great this is. Now when everybody's serving, everybody can help themselves. Look at that. So 3 quarts, instead of having to pass it, you can just spin it. Everybody can take it their little spoonful and away they go. So cornbread, so hot, cold, whatever you need to make in there.
And some things need a deeper dish than others. So you can see we put the meatballs in the shallow dish here. We've baked a bread over here, or scones it looks like, in the deeper one. Nice deep dish for the salad. You can really pile some salad up in there. This is perfect. This wonderful little pie with the lattice top. I love like a big giant tart here in this pan.
Look at the little chicken cutouts that we did.
I know.
Isn't that so sweet?
So adorable. Do you have these cookie cutters? I love that.
We do not.
Oh my gosh, we need to do that next. So
great idea.
So let me show you the colors again. The Doodle Doos are the most limited if you want one of those, and we have them for you still in the 3 colors, but only 400 left. We have black, red, or gray in the Doodle Doo. And then we also have Old World in taupe or gray, black, last call black, red, last call red, and green, 100 left. Confetti, 100 left, and 100 in the blue. Now let's move over to Floral Lace. In the black, 100, red, 150, cranberry, 6 dozen, blue, 300, and gray, 200 left. So really not a lot of any one of these left to go around. And remember, we're showing just the larger 3-quart baker out here with the lid, but you're also getting the 1.5-quart baker. So your actual set is both of the bakers and the lid. So you get all 3 of these pieces right here for that great price of 5 payments of $8. That goes up at the end of the day. Tara, what else?
Well, I just love the fact that, again, you can have 4.5-quart capacity and not have to worry about where am I going to store all of these pieces. Because of the design, because of that vertical design, you're able to, of course, have all of those pieces stack on top of each other, use them together, use them separately, and don't forget you have that great swing lid. So that works perfectly when you have leftover pot pie and you want to tuck that back in your fridge, or you've made that beautiful cornbread and you have extra. Like a lot of times a shallow baker, it's really hard to get a lid for it. We actually have a lid for that shallow baker as well.
That's awesome. So this is brand new as of the end of January, and it's been very, very popular. Doodle Doo is the most limited if you'd like that one. Stay in the ordering process, 5 easy payments of $8 on that one till the end of the day. No reorder on the bunnies. How many are left, Frankie? 650 bunny dishes. That's all.